Before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are reviewing the HANA EA from Bender FX. This is an order block-based system that uses a single shot non-martingale approach. So let's break it down. Alright, so as you can see from the official website, HANA EA focuses on institutional style order blocks, zones of accumulation and distribution, combined with regression channels to refine entry points. It also incorporates real-time volatility checks to filter trades that do not align with current market conditions. The key design choice is that it opens only one calculated trade per opportunity. There's no martingale, no grid, and no position stacking. Every trade is protected by a stop loss and take profits. The system is optimized for the 15 minutes and 1 hour time frames and is set to work across various market conditions. The developer claims a maximum drawdown of around 5%, monthly returns up to 15%, a low minimum balance of $100, and over 1,000 licenses sold. A package of custom indicators, templates, and optimized set files is included. Alright, so we have some screenshots here on the sites, as you can see. Let's just take a look at some of them. You can see some results here from developers testing. You can see for an initial deposits of $1,000, the total net profits was $308. There was a profit factor above 1 at 1.11, and the balance drawdown was 26.41%. So these are the stats from the developer. Looks like there was a profit for the testing period. But it's important to note that past performance are not indicative of future results, and it's always nice to take what's found on the developer's page with a pinch of salt. So the key features include order block detection, regression channel refinement for entries, volatility filtering, single shot execution, hard stop loss and take profits, trading options, and a complete set of templates and set files for pairs such as CAD-JPY, EUR-GBP, XAUUSD, and NZD-JPY. It does not include a built-in news filter, so the developer recommends pausing the EA around high-impact events. The overall approach is positioned as risk managed and suitable for traders who prefer quality setups over high trade frequency. Order block strategies are popular among smart money concept traders because they attempt to identify where larger players have previously accumulated or distributed positions. Combining those zones with regression channels aims to improve the precision of the entry. The single short rule and hard stops keep risks clearly defined on every trade. Because the system is selective, trade frequency is relatively low, typically a handful of trades per month, and it may go days without activity. This is intentional but means performance evaluation requires a longer observation period. In practice, from experience, the equity curve of such systems often shows gradual growth with modest drawdowns when order blocks hold, and flat or slightly negative periods when the market ignores those levels or volatility filters keep the EA inactive. The claimed low maximum drawdown of around 5% is attractive if it holds in live conditions, but real results will vary with market regimes and broker execution. Honestly, to me, the features that matter most are the order block logic, the volatility filter, conservative risk per trade, and patience for the selective nature of the system. The non-martingale design is a clear positive for risk control. As for the nuances, implications, and hidden risks, order blocks can fail. I think that's the most obvious, especially during strong news or structural breaks. Low trade frequency can make performance evaluation slower. No news filter still requires manual intervention around major events. So it's not a plug and play EA, it's manual additions. In practice, use the provided set files, keep risks low, and allow enough time to see how the system behaves across different market phases. As I said before, past results never guarantee future performance. So who is this actually for and who should avoid it? This is traders who like smart money slash order block concepts, prefer single entry systems with defined risks, and are comfortable with lower trade frequency. It's good if you want a non-martingale alternative within the Bender FX lineup. You should probably avoid this EA if you want high frequency trading, constant activity, or systems that will cover losses aggressively. Beginners should still approach with realistic expectations and proper risk management. Overall, HANA EA is a selective order block and regression channel system that prioritizes defined risks and single shot execution. It offers a more conservative profile than the martingale members of the same product family. Thorough demo testing and patient evaluation are essential. Always trade the money you can afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to cover next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex robot on the description too. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.